Yes, good evening once again. It's your boy Alpha from Military Forex, and this is my Military Forex free channel. Here I share my weekly setup. I share my free signals to my free members who have decided to join this free community. Also, I have personal assistance on training and providing signals. If anyone wants to have signals, I provide signals. Also, I share my setups on weekly market views, and I want to do a top-down analysis for USDJPY as I promised you on the previous video that I will also do a top-down analysis on USDJPY. And as you can see, my last setup, which I shared with you on USDJPY, it was like this. I was looking for buying setup on USDJPY. This is because of interest rate of USD and JPY, which USD interest rate is higher than JPY interest rate. Now let's drop into trading view. Now this was the last JPY trade, a top-down analysis which I shared with you on my previous video. Now let's do a top-down analysis for USD JPY. Currently, the market is still ranging around my entry point. No clear move till now. Now let's do a top-down analysis and let me show you how I get at this entry. Starting from monthly time frame, as I can see, we are having a very strong uptrend move on USDJPY. That move is this one. We are coming from a strong liquidation level. Now what I'm expecting now is for another rally or an impulsive move into upside. Yes, for this trade, I'm going to focus on this supply level, which had already been taken by this spike here, but this current supply level didn't been taken. And this is the key level monthly time frame, which I was looking for price to come around this range here. Now let's drop into weekly time frame to see what happened on weekly time frame. Let me delete this and focus on weekly market structure. We are having highs, lows, a nice liquidation level. We break this structure highs here, then we retest it, and then we move. Now we are approaching these highs here. These are the current highs which we are approaching from weekly time frame on USDJPY. Because price didn't manage to come on this key level here, that's the reason why I was focusing for bullish setup on USDJPY to come and fill these limit orders around this key level point. Now let's drop into the daily time frame. These were my daily time frame analysis. Like this, I was spotting these highs on daily time frame, in which I get a nicely candle closure above my structure high level. Then this flip point is the area where I was focusing with for price to come and touch these previous highs on this daily candle. What I was expecting is the same as what has happened around this key level. Price came as a liquidation to these key levels here and didn't manage to close below the structure highs of previous last days. Let's drop into 4 time frame to see what happened on lower time frame. On lower time frame, we are having a nice hidden invalidation level ranging that point. Also, we are having a nice flip point or structure high at 4-hour time frame. As I shared with you, the price were ranging at this level here, and my entry point was like this. Nine pips. No, let me drop into 1 hour to see more structure level ranging that point. Yes, these are the previous structure lows which I was focusing also, and this was the closing price of this candle. But on 4 we had a nicely flip point, which it was the one which I was considering it because of some condition of these levels. The reason why price break these two previous highs here are the condition. There are some conditions which I took to consider my bullish entry level around these key points. Now for stop loss, I was looking at low time frame previous lows. This is the previous lows of low time frame. And I think I placed, it was, let me see. Usdjpy trade. USDJPY. Yes, my stop loss was 108.59. 108.59. Let's drop into stop loss 108.59.8. Yes, this was my stop loss level, and the price didn't take me out. I think it left me, it was like 2.5 pips. And my target for this trade was, I was looking at these highs here, but I know that these highs have high probability to be taken out. So I was focusing on these highs here. You can spot it nicely on weekly time frame. Yes. These are the last highs which price came and tapped it, then didn't manage to come around this area, but the previous one on weekly time frame was this one. But I didn't want to be too aggressive with my take profit level. Let me see on my thread, on my channel. The take profit level was ranging 110.200. Yes. Take profit target was ranging 110.200. Yes, almost 130, 140 pips. Yes, and this was my target. Also, some of my target, I took them by looking at the previous highs in which I consider them sometimes on high time frame, like weekly or daily highs. Those are the key points where I took my take profit target around those levels. So this was the previous high. Now for the for this market, I'm considering that price may come and tap this and break this, but if it breaks this level, where is my next target level? For this one is for premium people. I show them how to take profit targets or levels. If you wanna join my premium service, you are free. I'm available 24/7. Now this trade we are currently running price retrace. It was 20 pips or 19 pips, like yes, 15 pips for now, but I'm targeting for 140 pips as a risk reward ratio of 1:6. My stop loss is 21.1 pip. Thanks a lot. And this is for Usdjpy top down analysis. Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel for more upcoming top down analysis videos. Now let me take a screenshot for this. Let me take a screenshot. I'll share this with you